Hey, what's up guys? It's great to have you here on our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can save money on transportation. We know that transportation can be a big expense for many people, whether it's your daily commute or running errands. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We've compiled 10 simple tips that can help you save money on transportation. Tip 1. Use public transportation. One of the easiest ways to save money on transportation is to use public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are usually much cheaper than driving your own car. Plus, you can often take advantage of discounted fares if you buy a monthly pass. Tip 2. Carpool. If you do need to drive, consider carpooling with friends, family, or colleagues. Carpooling allows you to split the cost of gas and parking, which can add up to significant savings over time. Tip 3. Walk or bike. Walking or biking is not only great for your health, but it can also save you money on transportation costs. If you live close enough to your destination, consider walking or biking instead of driving. Tip 4. Use a ride-sharing service. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft can be a convenient and affordable option for short trips. Plus, you can often find promo codes and discounts to help you save even more money. Tip 5. Buy a fuel-efficient car. If you do need to own a car, consider buying a fuel-efficient model. Not only will you save money on gas, but you may also be eligible for tax credits and other incentives. Tip 6. Use gas rewards programs. Many gas stations offer rewards programs that can help you save money on gas. Check with your local gas station to see if they have a rewards program and sign up for it. Tip 7. Keep your car well maintained. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and tire rotations, can help your car run more efficiently, which can save you money on gas. Plus, keeping your car well maintained can help prevent costly repairs down the road. Tip 8. Use discounted gift cards. You can often find discounted gift cards for gas stations and other transportation-related expenses online. Check out sites like Gift Card Granny and Raise to find discounted gift cards. Tip 9. Plan your trips wisely. Plan your trips wisely to avoid unnecessary driving. Combine multiple errands into one trip to save time and gas. Also, consider taking the most efficient route to your destination to save on gas. Tip 10. Negotiate your car insurance rates. Finally, consider negotiating your car insurance rates. You may be able to get a better rate by shopping around and comparing rates from different insurance providers. So there you have it, 10 simple tips to help you save money on transportation. We hope these tips will help you save some money and make your life a little bit easier. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.